All right, guys, so I got finished with my trading session pretty early this morning. I took one trade on oil today, planned it out before the market opened, and basically everything went perfectly to the plan. So I want to go and recap that for you guys and kind of show you how I was able to do that. Anyways, as you can see, I ended up making $211 on 15 of my PA Apex accounts. So made just over $3,100 profit on the day. If you guys don't know, I trade live every single day on Zoom inside my inner circle group, and I was able to catch this trade live on that call today. So with that being said, let's go ahead and roll the replay from the live trading session today.
Good morning, guys. So you guys know what I'm watching this oil. I want to see us get above this level and pull back to it. There's a few reasons I want to play this. First off, just go to a 4-hour, and we can see that if we end up getting above this level again. All right, so we had a pretty nice run up these past few days. When we are seeing pullbacks, we want them to be less extreme than the run up. So if we just have this little pullback and then we can get back above here, there could be another wave like this coming, right? To where at least we could test this level, and that's a great trade for us. So that's kind of my thought process if we do get back above that level. And everything else, I don't really like. Shit, we have oil news today, huh? I don't know if we should trade this. So we still have a while till the news comes. Yeah, if this trade happens in the next 30 minutes, I'll probably take it still if it looks good. But I don't want to trade it within 30 minutes of news for sure. See, this thing's been weird because it's like really changing based on if I zoom in a little bit. Not sure where exactly to zoom in. Usually I like to stay more zoomed out, but in this case, the lines are like right next to each other. So I usually like to zoom in to where the lines are like farthest apart, which I guess would be this, but I also don't want to zoom in too much. Okay, I'm trying an entry long here. I'm at my stop at around 75. So pretty small risk on that one, but it's where it makes sense to get out of it. My first trim's a 1-to-1, so it's like 7107, which should be this high right here. Okay, I just got to trim off. That's a 1-to-1 right there. Move my stop to break even. Next target, I'm not sure. My thing is we have news on oil today at 10:30. So I don't know how far we can run really. So I'll probably play it more conservative. Maybe go for 20. We sold off pretty nice right there, so I'm not sure if it wants to keep going. All right, here's a retest of the last high. It's a good sign. Come on, buddy, break through it. No. Damn. I'm not even gonna say anything. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop up to 71.01. Okay, I just got filled there. Fully out now. All right, not a huge trade P&L wise, but like I said, I think I risked 150.
So I shouldn't have to recap too much because I kind of explained before I took the trade on that call you just watched what my thought process was, why I was looking at this level. Now, one thing I did want to cover is going over my plan. Taking a look at my plan today, and this is why I think it's so important to make a plan, is because you're thinking ahead of the market versus everyone else. They're noticing patterns way too late, right? By the time you see a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high in an uptrend, right? It becomes too obvious. So you want to be one of the first people to the pattern, and the only way to do that is to really plan your trade and look at the bigger time frame market structure, like I explained in the beginning of that live session. If you didn't catch that part, go back and watch it. That's going to be kind of key to know how to actually plan the trade, not just on a lower time frame, but looking at the 4 hour, the 30-minute, and seeing where the overall market structure is and going off of that. So basically what I said in my plan, if we can get above VWAP, which also lines up with the resistance level at 71, I'll be looking for it to pull back to that level to retest it to play longs after we see confirmation, right? So this is what it looked like before. I want us to get above this level, lined up with the VWAP. On the 4 hour trend, right, the trend was still up. We're in a minor pullback. So I figured if we get above this level, that's where the 4 hour uptrend would continue. Like it has over the past few days. And we kind of saw the same thing on the 30-minute chart as well. And that's what ended up happening once we got here. I was looking for my confirmation. I used the RMAC indicator, and basically I'm looking for it to bounce off this top line and just looking for a confirmation candle. So we basically got that right here. This is where I entered the trade. Now I always put my stop below the last swing low and just ride it up from there. So anyways, that was my trade for the day. Clean trade. Didn't really see anything else today. So anyways, that's how I ended up the day with that $3,000 profit. So real quick before you guys go, like I said before, I trade live every single day, like you just saw, inside my inner circle group on Zoom. If you guys want to join us on these calls, you think it'd be helpful for your trading, you're sick of trading alone, you want a community where you can just kind of hang out with in the morning, watch me trade live, I want to invite you to join my inner circle group. Right now we're running a free 7-day trial so you can test run it, trade live with me for a week for completely free, and see if it helps you in your own trading. If you guys are interested in joining that, all you have to do is go over to the first link in the description below, or just head over to this link right here to claim access to that free 7-day test run. And I look forward to seeing you guys inside of there. So anyways, I'll see you tomorrow morning for another day of trading, and hopefully we'll see some good opportunities. So anyways, guys, see you then.